How to eat lots of vegetables if you don't like vegetables. There are many reasons that people can struggle to get all the fruits and vegetables they need in their diet. Maybe they're extremely busy and don't have time to shop for fresh food or cook healthy meals. Maybe they don't have much cash and find that buying ready meals is cheaper. There is another reason that is easy to overlook though. A lot of people simply don't like fruits and vegetables. More specifically, a lot of people have big issues with vegetables. And if that describes you, you need to think about what you can do to solve this problem. In this presentation, we'll look at some easy fixes for that slight issue. Put them in cooking. One simple way to get yourself to eat more vegetables is to put them in your cooking. You might not like mushrooms, for instance, but if they are inside a bolognese, you might not notice them. And if that doesn't work, another option is to grate them. Grating things like carrot into a mix really does make them impossible to taste, while still offering all the same benefits. Try some sauce. You might find that the fruit or vegetable you don't like works much better with a sauce or dip. Celery is helped greatly by a little hummus, for example. Seasoning is also a good option. Try more. If you haven't found a vegetable you like yet, keep trying. Vegetables come in all shapes and sizes, and there are hundreds and hundreds of them. Keep trying different types, and you're sure to find at least some that you like. And that's just fine. You don't have to eat the same few vegetables that everyone else does, carrots, broccolis, peas. As long as you know how to source the type of vegetable that you do like, you'll still get the amazing benefits of eating vegetables. Have a soup or smoothie. One vegetable might not taste great to you, but blended up in a soup or smoothie, you might just find you can get away with it. Supplements. This is not the same by any stretch. Taking a multivitamin is not as good as eating real vegetables. But if you absolutely cannot stomach the thought of broccoli, then having a supplement of some sort will at least help to some degree. It's the next best thing.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.